5:03. I'm just gonna do some stretches and then we're just gonna go straight downstairs and do the warm-up. Another day to go chase after dreams. Let's go, champ. So obviously doing a warm-up is pretty important because I am not trying to get injured. And then passing again. We're gonna work left and right. I normally start on the left foot, just training my mind, so it doesn't matter what side, what time I get the ball. I just use whatever foot is better. There's no excuses. I wake up, I go downstairs and train. Work. The grind ain't easy. It ain't easy. But these are the days that champions are made, they're not born, they're created. I'm gonna create this sculpture, this person that I wanna be. And yeah, let's go. We have these different numbers and colors. When it turns red, it's like a man pressing me, so I have to pass back to the wall. We're gonna do 2 sets of just normal technique and then just 1 set of awareness. That is the session, and yeah, obviously after the session make sure you recover. I'm gonna go upstairs and stretch now, and yeah, the reason why I do this really is just to get better. I want to be great, and it's not just gonna happen by accident, and I need to work. So doing this, just get the reps in. Waking up early when no one else is up is also good because I can get an extra session in the day. I can get my morning session and get a team session. Then in the afternoon, I can do gym. Obviously, it depends on the week and the match schedules, but it's just to get the reps in, improving. After a year, how good would I be? How better in skills in my weaker foot in certain areas of my game would I be? And that's why I do it. So hopefully you're inspired to train up as well, inspired to train as well, and I'll see you at the top.